Kaunti ya Kisii nigo yabera omwesi gukia sensemo y'abaroire bari bubwate mechando eyoganetie okomanu anene kigimasi chinsemo cy'oroiboro magaye kyombe gya Kenya Association of Urological Surgeons kurwa Obokoreri bwa Bosa gukia saba menyebe Kaunti ya Kisii Migori amo na Homa Bay bagukwana n'abarari mogoroba ya rero asumuka wayomo abwaso Obokoreri obubwerire ikengima gucakira lichukuri ya Jumapili nigo Daktari Joshua Matu oyoro munyakero bwe kyombe kyo atabiribuna abaroire gwetani riganeri mone 53 abwase gebere barabana na emia ya mona 23 bari abantu abanene babiri bakonyora Obokoreri obwo Obokoreri obwo bwa Bosa nigo bukorwegwa kire iki yomweri yomutinyo kaberekero mwaka abwase ababwatane bago chichamo eri kurwa Obokoreri obwo boratumeke kibese kinyinge ase kinyagitari
Dr. Joshua Matu, a consultant urologist, the chairman of Kenya Association of Urological Surgeons. With me and my colleagues on the right is Dr. James Iko, the vice chairman of the same association. On my left is Dr. Francis Osawa, the treasurer of the same association. We have been in Kisii since 22nd of this month, conducting free surgeries to the needy patients with urological problems, all the children and the adults. We have operated in the following centers: Kisii County Referral and Teaching Hospital, Homa Bay County Referral and Teaching Hospital, and the Nyamira County Referral and Teaching Hospital, and a few private hospitals, the Matata Hospital, St. Bridget Hospital, Oasis Hospital, and during that period of time, we have operated 163 patients for free at no cost to the patient at all. Now, these patients had a variety of medical conditions. 20 of them were children, and 143 were adults. The outcome of these patients have been satisfactory, and most of them have gone home. The few ones remaining are in hospital, but they have very stable condition. Now, this is an event we do once every year. The last week of February, we usually call it Kenya Association of Urological Surgeons Week, where we render CSR to the needy patients at no cost to the patients, and we fund the cost of the surgeons and the other supportive staff we operate with. Say that we have done the largest number of patients since we started this program. Last year we did 120 patients in Eldoret. The previous year we had done around 115 in another county. So the number has been increasing, maybe due to awareness and also the population of that particular area we are operating on and other logistics. Most of them are male patients. They are men because problems tend to afflict men of the elderly generation, but also young children have a problem, and also a few ladies also benefit from the same. We don't discriminate. Anyone who has a urological problem will be attended to, whether a lady, a man, or even a child. Fee for each particular procedure depends on the complexity of the same. The most expensive procedures we did today are so-called reconstructive procedures for the male genitalia and urethra, and the cost by SHA is around 250,000 shillings per case. So the patients operated who are more than 20 without problem should have paid now 250,000 shillings times 10, which is more than 2.5 million shillings. And that is underrated cost. If you try it in private practice, that cost of that procedure will be around 400 to 500,000 shillings.